So in this video I'm going to give you 5 most coolest computer trick that you can use, and using this trick you can show your friend that I can do this and that, and your friend family will be amazed to see this unique trick that you haven't seen before. So just watch this video till the end, and the last 5th trick is amazing for the people who don't want to shut down the computer using a regular method. Just go watch this video to see all the trick that I will show you in this video. So now let's start this video, and I'm gonna go to my computer screen to show you this thing. Let's begin. So as here I'm on my computer screen, and let's start with our first trick. The first trick is that how I hide my taskbar. Here you can see you can't see any taskbar on my screen, but if I put my cursor down, then the taskbar will come out. So how I do this thing. So if you don't know, then let me show you. So the first thing you need to do is that press the right button on your screen, and then go to taskbar settings, and then here you need to turn off this thing. So when you turn off this thing, then your taskbar will not hide. Just you need to do is that on your computer this thing will be turned off. So you need to enable this thing. Okay, you need to enable this thing, and then your taskbar will just hide. Okay, so again on your computer this thing will be turned off like this. So you need to enable this thing, and your taskbar will just hide. And over here you can see automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. So if you turn on this thing, then your taskbar will hide. If you turn off this thing, then taskbar will come out. So I don't want the taskbar, so I'm going to turn off. And that was the first trick. Let's do the second one. Second is that how I make these icons so small. So you can see right now over here these icons are very small. So how I do this thing. So you can also make a large icon, or you can make a small icon. So it's on you how you like. So just need to do is that press the right button on your mouse and go to view and tap on large, medium, or small icon, anything you like. So like if I tap on large icon, then the icon will become so huge and large, but I don't like this thing. So if you want medium icon, then the icon will become like this. If you want small icons, then icon will become like these. Icons will become like this. So this is how you can make your desktop icons small and large. And let's do the third thing is that how you can hide these icons from your desktop. So to do this thing, tap the right button, go to view and uncheck this thing. So desktop icon, show the desktop icons. Just need to uncheck this thing, and you can see all the icons are gone. It is hidden. And if you again go here and tap on this thing, show desktop icons, all the icons will come back on the desktop again. So that was the third trick. Let's do the fourth one. So guys, now let's talk about the fourth trick. The fourth trick is a little bit amazing and very fantastic trick. So like, can you do this thing on your computer? Like you can put the taskbar. Can you put the taskbar anywhere on your screen on your computer? Can you do this thing? So let me show you how I do this thing. And using this trick, you can put the taskbar anywhere on your screen, top, left, right, bottom, anywhere you want. So to do this thing, you need to do is that tap the right button on your taskbar, and on your computer this thing will be checked. So just you need to do is that uncheck this thing. You can see lock the taskbar in your computer. You'll see this check icon. So just you need to do is that uncheck it, and now if I drag the taskbar anywhere on my screen, it will the taskbar will go on that side. So using this method, you can put the taskbar anywhere on your screen. So now let's move on to the fifth trick. So the last and the fifth trick is a little bit good for the people who don't like to shut down the computer using the regular method. Just go over here and tap here and then tap on shutdown. So this is the method that everyone use to shut down their computer. So in the fifth method is for the people who don't like doing this thing. So the fifth trick is that if you press alt plus F4 on your computer, then it will show you this pop-up. So from here you can see shutdown. Do you want the computer to do shutdown? Or if you tap on this arrow icon, you can choose restart, sleep, sign out, switch user. You can choose any option that you want to do. So like if you want to shut down your computer, then choose this thing, and when I click on this button, the video will stop. And this is the last method. Let me show you. I need to show you that if it works or not. So I'm gonna just tap on this button to show you. And guys, remember, the video will stop now. So let's tap on it. 1 2 3 go. So guys, I hope that you have liked these 5 tricks. If you want more videos like this one, if you want more computer related videos, then you can tell me in the comment. I will make more videos on these kinds of topic. And if you have any kind of problem or any kind of question to ask me, then the comment is for you. Ask any question you want. I will absolutely reply your question. Or if you have hard and bad problem, then I'm gonna make a full tutorial on that thing on this channel. So that's it. See you soon. Peace.